Each workout contains the ability to log the weights and reps you do if you want. So in the three icons here in the middle, you can see workout logs. This is where it's going to show any previous workouts that you've done. As an example, to log a workout while you're in the middle of it, you can just start a workout, again, from any section. So I'm just going to click here for block B and that square button on the right there with the arrow pointing up. I'm going to start there. I'm going to hit new session. I'm going to do a manual logging of this. And when I say I did 25 reps or 28 reps, of 25 pounds, and I can add a note, try more weight next time, and save that. So this is going to now show up in the log if I wanted to come back to it. When you end the workout, you can edit this if you needed to, but just to show you how that works, I'm now going to end the workout. I'm going to mark it as completed. Here's the log for the workout, right? And there's what we just did. And here's the note that we took. So you're going to immediately see what you just did. And obviously you can fill this in more if you wanted to after the workout. But next time you go to your log, if you wanted to check how much weight you did in a particular section, you can click on the workout log there. You can now view this workout, the one that we just did. And this is the data that we recorded from it.